Lost access to your PayPal account because you can't log in and need to change your phone number? Don't worry, there's a secure way to do it, even without your password. This tutorial will guide you through updating your PayPal phone number when you've forgotten your login details, ensuring your account stays accessible and protected. First, go to the PayPal website. Since we can't log in directly, we'll use the Forgot Your Password or Trouble Logging In option. Click on that link. On the next screen, PayPal will ask for the email address associated with your account. Enter that carefully. This is crucial for them to identify your account. After entering your email, you'll likely be presented with security questions or options to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen prompts precisely. This might involve answering questions about your personal information that only you would know. One of the verification steps will likely be to confirm your identity using a phone number currently associated with your account, even if you want to change it if you no longer have access to that old number. Look for an option like, "I don't have access to my phone," or "Try another way." This is where the magic happens. Selecting that alternative option will lead you to a page where you can provide your new phone number. You'll likely need to verify this new number immediately via text message or a call. Once you've successfully verified your new phone number, PayPal will update it on your account. You should then be able to reset your password and regain full access to your PayPal account using your updated contact information. Remember to keep your PayPal login details, including your phone number, up to date and secure to prevent future access issues. You've now learned how to update your PayPal number without logging in.